Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to restart the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. Now from here, just tap on the power icon. Now as you can see, the power menu has appeared on the screen. Now from here, just tap on restart. And also you have another option. Now for the second option, just press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time. Now as you can see, the power menu has appeared on the screen. Now from here, just tap on restart to restart your smartphone. Now as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. And this is how you can restart your Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.